Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a super simple way that you can sharpen and build your reflexive strength. And it is ridiculously simple, so you're probably going to dismiss it. But you need to try it anyway so that you can feel it, so that you can undismiss it. And all we're going to do is we're going to get on all fours, and you're going to get on the balls of your feet, and we're going to push ourselves up so that our knees are off the floor, and you're going to do it like suddenly, like all of a sudden. And suddenly, Tim lifted his knees up off the floor. And then you're going to put your knees back down. So it's push and then back down. And what you're going to feel, and you may even be able to see it happen through my body, as soon as the knees come off the floor, everything, there's like a wave of strength, or a reflexive contraction just happens throughout your body, especially through your center. So you're going to feel your center turn on, and then when the knees go off the floor and you relax, it turns off. So it's like a light switch where on, off, on, off, on, off. It's kind of like Sesame Street with Grover. And on and off. That doesn't sound like Grover, but you get the point. So what we're doing is every time the knees come up off the floor, we get a reflexive contraction through our center, and really it's through the whole body. And then when the knees come off the floor, there's no tension on the system, so that reflexive contraction, it shuts off. So again, we're putting tension on the system, tension off the system. And by doing that repeatedly, we're getting really good at turning the light switch on, turning the light switch off. Turning on the reflexive strength, sharpening that reflexive response, making it quicker, more efficient. And then when we turn it off, well, then it goes away because we don't need it. But by doing this, we can sharpen our reflexive strength. And what that means to you is more resilience, more durability, which is the same thing, more strength, more freedom of expression. The things you do they can get easier, like if you like lifting weights, that can get easier, or if you just like, living and being and interacting with the world, that can get easier too. And the better your reflexive strength is, the healthier you are. Anyway, super simple way and method to turning on your reflexive strength. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. Probably wondering, okay, yeah, but how much do I do that? Don't know. Just do it a little bit every day, like 2 minutes a day. And by the way, that's going to add up, and you're going to be building a little bit more than reflexive strength. You're going to be building also strength. But give that a shot. Just 2 minutes a day. Just try it. Turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. See what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.